Hello and welcome. Now, like all chatbots, Anthropic recommends that you use chaining in order to improve the results that you're getting from a chatbot. And whether it is chain of thought or just chaining in general, all you're really doing with chaining is breaking down complex tasks into smaller, manageable subtasks. And basically, you are either working in multiple conversations or one conversation where you're not trying to do everything inside of one specific prompt or conversation, where you're not trying to get all of the information from one prompt. As is stated, you can have a single task goal, but you should also consider iterating, which is replying to your conversation with another question. For example, Anthropic recommends that instead of doing one prompt for content creation, that you consider breaking the process into research, outlining, drafting, editing, and formatting, where you would have at least 5 different prompts and 5 different interactions within a conversation about one topic. For example, in Anthropic's stated example, there's one prompt asking for a summary. There's another prompt asking for feedback on the summary. In a third prompt, that feedback is then taken in order to improve the summary. And so finding ways to improve your output basically means breaking up your prompting into more than one response or reply and then iterating with the chatbot in order to get the results that you want. Now, as a review, Claude does a number of different things with your text, and it's a good idea to be familiar with these things from the Anthropic Help screen. Okay, so for that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.